Hello everyone, and a warm welcome. Today, we're diving into a really practical AI agent use case. We're going to walk you through how to quickly build a dedicated AI advisor specifically for the real estate industry. If you're currently considering how to implement AI into your actual business workflows, this demo is definitely going to spark some great ideas for you. And the exciting part, we've already prepared the complete prompt templates and flow orchestration diagrams for you, so you can grab those and replicate this setup in no time. Alright then, before we jump into the build, let me give you a quick bit of background on this agent. It's designed for real estate businesses, primarily to tackle common issues like low efficiency and high labor costs when it comes to handling customer inquiries, recommending properties, and connecting clients with sales agents. To get started, you only need two things. First, a GPTBots platform account. You can sign up for free. Second, your relevant business data. This includes things like location information, property details, and your sales team's contact information. Got those ready? Fantastic. Let's get into the hands-on part. First up, we'll use a large language model to accurately route user requests into 6 specific functional branches. These are a property introduction, a location and VR videos, sales recommendation, appointment for scheduling a viewing, a discount or offer inquiry, which will go to a human agent, and an other requests category for everything else. We'll also define the persona for this routing LLM using an identity prompt. Think of it as telling the LLM to act like a seasoned real estate sales expert, one that can precisely understand the customer's current intent and automatically direct them to the correct branch. Once the branching logic processes a customer's query, it is routed to the corresponding functional module. For example, if a customer asks about property information, the query will match the property introduction documents we've pre-uploaded to our knowledge base. For the knowledge base configuration, we use the platform's default settings, including knowledge relevance, recall number, and retrieval weight. Additionally, the platform has enhanced retrieval enabled by default, which refines queries based on ongoing conversation history to further improve retrieval accuracy. Once that retrieval is complete, the data flows into an LLM module. This is where we need to set up our prompts, including defining the LLM's role, its main objective, the skills it should use, any constraints it needs to follow, and some output examples so it knows what a good response looks like. It's a pretty similar process if a customer asks about location details, sales recommendations, or wants to book a viewing. The request will flow to the corresponding LLM and knowledge base modules. Now, if a customer inquires about purchase discounts or special offers, that's when the request will be routed to a human service module. For this human handoff, you can configure various integration methods like webhooks, and you can also set specific service hours. Alright, let's kick things off with our first example. Imagine a user asks, "Are there any houses with a natural theme?" You'll see the system accesses the property introduction module, and just like that, it displays relevant videos and images of amenities. Nice. Okay, for our next question, let's try asking about the location. And there we go. The system shows a Google Maps link and a VR video link, allowing for an online preview. Super handy. Now, what if the user is interested in getting in touch with someone? Perfect. The system returns sales agent profiles, complete with photos, phone numbers, and email addresses. Let's see how it handles appointment bookings. Say the user asks, "Can you help me make an appointment with him?" The system provides an appointment link, and it supports quick booking via WhatsApp or Calendly. Very smooth. And finally, a common question. Let's ask about discounts. I would like to know if you have any property promotions currently. And for this one, the system routes the request to the human service module, connecting the user with a dedicated advisor to handle that specific query. And there you have it. In just a few steps, we've fully built an intelligent AI advisor tailored for the real estate industry. It not only reduces customer service workload and improves customer conversion rates, but more importantly, it enables business personnel without coding knowledge to deploy an agent, allowing traditional industries to embrace the efficiency benefits that AI brings. So if you're still out there thinking, "I'm not a programmer, can I really use AI?" Or, "Is our industry maybe too traditional for AI applications?" Well, this use case should give you a pretty clear answer. AI is not just useful, it can save money, manpower, and effort. You don't need a technical background. Even with zero coding skills, you can implement it. As long as you have customers, consultations, and processes, AI brings value. If you found this content inspiring, feel free to follow us. We'll continue sharing more practical industry case studies to help you truly harness AI and get ahead by building your own customized agent. See you next time.